Number one is digital products. So things like manual planners, digital art, ebooks, PDFs, website themes, and more stuff like that. And if you want to search or do research on your topic or niche, Google Trends can help you with that. We'll just type in food real quick. So United States, 7 days. I kind of prefer 30, but you know, it's my garden. It makes sense. So let's do beauty and fitness. Interest over time. Category, sub-region, who's looking at it more. And these are the related topics: skin, food. How many calories should I eat in a day? So if you are a fitness person, you just love fitness or whatever, look at what's rising out. You see, this says breakouts and how many. So these are what people are searching for. You should double down on it. Oh, Fat Diet, Food Bliss, PDF right here, digital product. So this is something you can sell. How many calories should I eat a day? You can also make an ebook on topics too. Weight Watchers, 0 Point Food Bliss. Yeah. So you could even do stuff like that. So I just wanted to show you guys Google Explore is great. You can also compare. Heard about it. Turning on demand, Printify, Redbubble. Those are like one of the main popular ones. I'd say it's pretty good. You know, if you don't know what it is, you know, the company, let's say it's Printify, you don't need to have any milkshake stock in your house, basically. So your customer, they buy it, whatever design you put on it. Or something waiting on the package, so that's also another thing to take in consideration. There are definitely some other print on demand, so you can probably look into with Printify or just print on demand in general. You can make a lot of stuff and print it out, like blankets, coffee mugs, little pins, shirts, maybe hair accessories or glasses. They have so much on there that you can choose from, so it's definitely worth taking a look at it. Give me a try. Next on my list is freelancing. Fiverr, Upwork are two examples, probably one of the biggest examples. So freelancing, I think it's a little on and off. You know, you don't know how much consistency like your customers will be buying in and stuff, so it's really important that you take that into consideration and just think like about your audience, your profit, your time, your resources. You know, the niche is very important, how large your audience is, or if you're trying to build it up, you know, you can still try it. My fourth one that I have on here is affiliate links. So a lot of people probably probably heard about this too. It's very popularly talked about. Amazon is a big one. There are other affiliate programs that you can look at too, depending on your niche and stuff. Now with affiliate links, of course, not everyone is going to click on it. It does take a little bit to get them to click on it, or for them to buy it too, or whatever it is. You know, if you're doing skincare video or cooking video, you're just putting the link there so you can click on it and you get a commission off of it if they do buy it or click on it. So for my fifth tip is tutoring/skill coaching. So languages, art, cooking, coding, a lot of people want to know how to do that. And if you like to read languages, that people want to learn, you can turn that into profit. Art, teaching people how to draw, the principles of drawing, or cooking, how to become a chef, how to become a master chef, what you should do as a beginner, stuff like that. Coding, however the coding is. You can go on Teachable. That's one of them that I know. So yeah, you can do courses. This kind of also ties into the digital products. 1, 2. So you can do printable planners, ebooks, or video courses, teaching people how to do. You can also do one-on-one or a group too through those courses. So yeah, I did just give you some tips, but there also needs to be some things that you should take into consideration, such as, you should think about niche, audience, competitiveness, profit versus investment, gain versus loss when you're doing this. So on screen here, I'll be listing the pros and cons of each topic/tip that we just talked about through the video, so you can get more. Digital products, pros and cons. You can pause to read. Number 2, print on demand, pros and cons. Freelancing, pros and cons. Affiliate links, same thing. Number 5. And in the future, I'll be making a more detailed video about this whole thing in the future. You want to save more money, right? I know you do. So make sure to subscribe for more budget-friendly advice.